This is the Misfit Vapor. I of course never made a video like this ever, so this video is gonna be pretty garbage. Unless you actually like it. In that case, thanks, but otherwise it's just gonna be me poking around at the box and, you know, the watch, and just talking about random stuff that's about the watch. Regarding the watch, the first thing you get when you open the box is a nice, soft carrying bag, which has two pockets in the insides of it, one for the band and charging cable likely, and the other side's for the shiny watch that you'll see shortly. First thing I noticed when I took the watch out in the box is that it was quite heavy, even with the band on and off. It's quite a bit heavier than the watch I normally use. This is the TicWatch E, which you'll see later on in the video. You'll have to get a screen protector for this watch if you really don't want to get scratched, because it's, you know, not protected at all. The charging cable is nothing special. It's white, flat, and has a unique connector design. And the other end for the watch is magnetic and has a tiny little plastic pin to help you align the pins. With first impressions and paperwork out of the way, let's get a little video of the watch up close. Something I didn't notice is that they included two pins for 20mm watch bands. So that basically means you can get 20mm watch bands and use them with this watch. You might even have a watch at home that'll have a band that fits this Misfit Vapor and it'll work just fine. This watch band is absolutely covered in plastic, so you get to have fun watching me peel it all off. Once that's done, you're left with a beautiful collection of plastic wrappings. Regarding the charging connector, it's nothing special, it's just a magnet and pins. It's not the strongest thing in the world, but there's a little plastic pin on the charger that helps line it up with the watch, but even then it's still not the securest thing in the world, but it's enough. Just gotta make sure you set it down on the table somewhere so it doesn't just fall off of the charger. And you might want to push it down a tiny bit just to make sure it has a firm connection. The first thing I noticed when I first turned it on after a couple minutes of charging is that it still runs Android Wear, which is what came before Wear OS, which is what most Android smartwatches use today. So since it originally came with Wear OS, I checked for updates just out of curiosity, and unlike some other certain smartwatches, Motorola, it actually has an update for Wear OS, so I downloaded that and applied it, which is what it's doing right now. Yeah, this video was pretty bad. It'll probably get better later on, but for now, this is the Misfit Vapor. I just wanted to unbox it, and that's just about it. Have a great day.